Hi, today on Cooking with Deb, we are going to be making a chicken sweet potato black bean stew. It's going to go in the crock pot. Since the weather's changed and cooled down a little bit, I figured a stew would be a good dish to make that's hearty and healthy as well. What goes into this dish is 1 pound of chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you don't like dark meat, you can use chicken breast. I have 1 can of black beans that I rinsed and drained. And then I have some sweet potatoes. I have 3 here just because they're smaller, but you can use 2 if you have a large size. I have some garlic here, some low sodium chicken broth. We'll use some salt, pepper, parsley, paprika for seasonings. And then we'll also have some no salt added, a can of diced tomatoes and tomato paste. And then also we'll have 1 cup of frozen sweet corn. So let's get started. Okay, now that I've gotten everything chopped and measured out, everything just basically goes into the crock pot, and it's going to go on low for 6 hours, and it just kind of does its own thing. That's the fun of slow cooking. So I'm putting in my chicken. As you can see, I'm putting it in whole. I'm not cutting it at all. Once it finishes cooking, if you want, you can shred the chicken and then put it back and then mix it all together. The sweet potatoes are cut into 1-inch pieces. So we'll just put those in there. I said sweet potatoes. Again, this is 1 can of black beans that I rinsed and I drained. I have 3 cloves of garlic that I minced. And I have 1 cup of frozen corn here. And then for, I'll put in the tomatoes first, next. This is 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. And then I also have a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. This is 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. I have a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then I have 2 teaspoons of ground parsley. If you wanted to use fresh parsley, you wouldn't want to put it in the slow cooker. You will put that until like the very end, so that it doesn't get all soggy and mushed up. I'm using 3 cups of low sodium chicken broth, but if you want to reduce the sodium intake, you can use 1.5 cups of water and 1.5 cups of the low sodium chicken broth. So, got that all mixed together. I'm gonna give it a little mix so it's all kind of incorporated. Throw the lid on there. And we'll turn it on for 6 hours, and I will show you what it looks like when it's all finished cooking. Okay, everyone, the stew is finished, and this is the finished product. Since it was sitting for 6 hours, the chicken actually just kind of broke up when I went to stir it. As you can see, it's pretty hearty, and I've already sampled the taste of it, and it's really good. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoy it. If you make the dish, let us know how you like it. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below.